Okay, it's all happening. Awesome is finally so close that I can hear the click of the Lego brick. LEGOLAND New York Resort is open for previews beginning May 29th, 2021. This is phase 1 opening. So all of you LEGOLAND fans are going to be able to enjoy 6 of the resort's 7 themed lands like Brick Street, Bricktopia, Lego City, Lego Castle, Lego Ninja Go World, and Miniland. The final land, Lego Pirates, will open later this summer, as will the LEGOLAND New York Resort Hotel. If you're an annual pass holder, today, May 19th, you'll be able to reserve your day. All other guests, you're going to be able to reserve yours on May 21st. Of course, they are going to be encouraging social distancing, and you will be asked to wear your mask while you're in the park. So guys, are you ready to celebrate? Awesome! I am. Let's get to LEGOLAND New York Resort. Go to playliverepeat.com for more info. And go to my description below with all the links you need to reserve your date. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.